Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today we will review how to perform routine service on your Dosatron D8RE3000 40 GPM injector. Before we start, make sure the Dosatron unit is clicking. If not, please watch the D8RE3000 40 GPM troubleshooting video. To service your D8RE3000 injector, you will need the seal kit, a pair of needle nose pliers, a utility knife, and a small towel. It's best to perform this maintenance in a clean area, or if your Dosatron unit is in line, cover your concentrate tank so you don't lose any of the parts. To begin, unscrew the suction hose nut and set aside. Unscrew the injection stem nut and remove. Then pull the injection stem straight out from the body of the injector. Set the unit aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grasp the white threaded barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. It might come out in two pieces. Discard all of the old check valve parts. Unscrew and remove the lock nut. Then remove the C-clamp by spreading the opening and sliding it down over the threads. Unscrew and remove the adjusting nut. Push the white injection stem up and out of the black sleeve. Next, use a towel and dry the outer portion of the white injection stem and the top of the black sleeve. Remove the injection sleeve O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the black sleeve. Install the new O-ring into the groove. Set the black sleeve aside. Next, pick up the white injection stem and unscrew the upper insert and remove. Flip the white injection stem upside down so the upper insert O-ring falls out into your hand. Discard the upper insert O-ring and replace it with a new one. Reinstall the top. Then remove the injection stem O-ring by pinching and rolling it off of the white stem. Install the new O-ring into the groove. To reassemble, align the groove in the white injection stem with the tooth inside the lower portion of the black sleeve and slide the stem down as far as possible. Thread the adjusting nut back onto the black sleeve and set it around 0.1% or 1 to 1,000. This will ensure that you'll have enough threads for the next step. Replace the C-clamp by sliding it over the threads at the bottom of the white stem. Rotate the clamp until it clicks into place. Then thread on the lock nut and hand tighten. You can now install the new check valve assembly into the stem as shown and reinstall the check valve nut. To wrap up, slide the injection stem nut onto the black sleeve. Set the stem aside and pick up the unit. To remove the beige plunger, pull it down as far as it will go. Position the needle nose pliers near the top of the plunger and carefully twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise and disconnect. To install the new plunger assembly, use the needle nose pliers to align the top of the plunger with the retainer. Then twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. To finish up, carefully slide the injection stem assembly onto the plunger like this. Align the notches on the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Slide the two parts together, then hand tighten the injection stem nut. Set the unit aside. Before installing the suction hose, slide the ferrule back and cut a ½ inch off the top of the hose. Reposition the ferrule like this. Insert the hose into the barb and hand tighten the nut. Pull on the hose to make sure it's connected securely. If it comes off easily, you may need to cut another ½ inch off, reset the ferrule and reattach the nut. Make sure to set the Dosatron unit to your desired setting. We hope this video has been helpful in servicing your Dosatron D8RE3000 40 GPM injector. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel. I'm Jason at Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.